Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by connecting the scanner and verifying it types like a keyboard. Scan into Notepad to confirm. Once done, open Excel, enable the Developer tab, and format the barcode column as text so leading zeros stick. Next, create 3 adjacent columns: timestamp for scan time, item code for parse data, and notes for exceptions. This immediate setup prevents common errors and gives you a predictable capture area. Make sure the workbook's calculation mode is automatic, so formulas update on scan. Now implement capture logic. Add a small VBA routine using worksheet change to target the barcode column so each scan triggers processing. In your code, trim and clean the string, then remove scanner prefixes or suffixes. Use replace for known characters. If the barcode contains multiple fields, use split or text to columns to distribute values into item code and other cells. Finally, write a timestamp and reset focus to the entry cell so you can scan continuously. This keeps workflow fast and reliable. Finish by protecting the sheet areas that shouldn't be edited and save the file as a macro-enabled workbook so your VBA persists. Add an export button to dump validated rows to CSV if you need batch uploads. If things go wrong, check the scanner's suffix and prefix settings. Most need an enter or tab to trigger worksheet change. Confirm the OS keyboard layout, and ensure the barcode column is text to preserve leading zeros. If you still have issues, test with Notepad to isolate scanner versus Excel behavior.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.